Hello, welcome to the CTM 010 Library Video Tutorials. My name is Bob Flatley and I'm a librarian at the Roebuck Library. There are brief video tutorials associated with each page on this guide. So simply click on the tab and then click on the video tutorial. It's as simple as that. So one thing I wanted to show is how to find this guide if you ever need to come back to it from the main library homepage. So if you're at the main library homepage, you just have to click on one tab over from the OmniSearch tab. Click on the one that says LibGuides, and that stands for Library Guides, and then simply type in your course number, and then click on Search, and you get a list of results, and then click on where it's bolded, CTM 010, and then that will take you back to that page. Okay, thanks for watching.